Hello and welcome to another vlog. My name is Jolene. And we have a shitload of clothes in the car and stuff because we're going to a closet sale that we're hosting. Ryan's not hosting, but I'm hosting with the 6 other girls from Instagram. So we'll just take you along. It's been honestly a chaotic week getting everything ready. I had to order racks and hangers and a tagging gun, and I was like literally tagging and pricing everything last night. So it's been kind of crazy, but we're here. We are also late to setting up, but we're gonna be fine. Everything's hung up and ready to go, so I just have to put on the racks. So we're fine, and I'll take you guys with me and show you some of the day and maybe some of my week. I don't really know what this video is going to be, so thanks for coming along.
Her mom went through.
We're gonna go pass out some flyers at the camp after a quick beer. You know, so be there.
I love these flowers and this vase. What did the boyfriends do?
Rudy.
What did you say? Woo! Bringing the crowd. Thank you.
Crowd.
Thank you. You're the best. We had a really good turnout. Made money. I still have a lot of clothes. So they're going on Poshmark. Are you even recording? So they're going on Poshmark, so buy them all from me. Thanks, bye. I know, I need to go. I got the most stuff. I've got snacks. Because Nikki gave them all to me and made me take them.
What?
That girl, she's on a mic. We get snacks. I want to get a video of all the girls. Will you get one?
She didn't even help me.
Dude, that's pretty funny.
Dude, she didn't.
We're supposed to choose.
Cheers!
Check your beard. Can you tell that I'm a drinker?
She's got water. Water, cheers.
Sober sisters.
Like really good friends.
You might have to help me.
Really good friends with Oh, it's a video. Yo! I don't know what to say. Angels, baby, angels.
Hello, happy Sunday. It's the day after the closet sale and we Chef Nita making us all dinner, and she made me vegan, gluten-free enchiladas. We love that. What a good friend.
That? What'd you pay for that? 60 bucks?
I think it was $60.
Dude, we paid what, 70?
Peach cobbler.
Oh, I guess
and
you're right. It was,
Yeah, we paid 70.
yeah.
vegan with cream.
Mother's.
Dude, that's a... They were dialed in.
We are on our way down to Newport Beach to go on a yacht for an event with Fashion Pass, Spritz, and Hannah G. And Fashion Pass sent me this outfit, and I'm gonna take you guys with me because I feel like this is gonna be a really fun event. I'm excited, and I brought Ryan as my +1.